guys, this is Just One Guy, and I'm back here with my Mistborn project. And the reason I started this project was to simply challenge myself and have a little fun within Unity to see if I could find new ways to do things and see what I could come up with. And to that end, I've been working on the AI within this project, which I found really fun. I could work on more of the metals or something like that, but I thought the AI would be more fun to work on. And as you can see, I've changed up quite a bit of things in the game. I've changed the character models just so that it looks a little better. We have this guy here in a suit. We can see him. And if you read the books, you'll know why I chose this guy in a suit. Because basically everybody wears a suit. And he kind of looks like Kelsier, except for the brown hair and everything like that. And I just thought that was funny. This is just a random bandit model. And since it doesn't matter, I was just going to use them for the random characters and stuff like that. But more than that, I've been working on the character AI and just made a few changes. Now, right off the bat, I don't know if I showed this before. Just turn AI off for a minute. But the character can now do combination attacks. He just has this simple combo, but you can do as many punches or as little punches as you want. And that's just a basic combo. And now the AI can also do that too. And he doesn't have to do the full combo, or he can do as many punches as he wants. As you can see, he has a little leap attack now when he's a good distance away. That's based on percentage, so he doesn't always do it. It just depends. He can also strafe from side to side. And you can see he can do a combination attack now. Another thing, if you watch my other video, I finally fixed this. So now that changes to be the same direction as the floor, so it doesn't look as weird and cut through stuff, which just an annoyance for me. And I think that's basically it, except the AI can strafe now, but I'll have to turn up the percentage to get him to do it. So let's just make this 9% and make this 100. No, that's the combo attack. Make that 9%. Make that 100%. And you can see he strafes around you now. And he still does his little combo attack sometimes. And he can strafe from either direction. This I just felt made the AI work a little better, which I thought was fun. He can give you a little bit more time to think, and he feels a little bit more alive. And I've been working on that just because I thought it was fun. And it improves the game a little bit. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.